Effective from February 27, 2023, MSC announced to increase drink package prices. This sudden move has left many travelers with questions about how it will impact their upcoming cruises and whether the drink packages are still worth it. Whether you're planning to sail with MSC soon or simply curious about this pricing strategy shift, you won't want to miss out on the insider details we're about to share. Stay tuned as we dive into the details of this recent development. Welcome to Explore with Us, your family travel channel. MSC Cruises is increasing the prices for the drinks packages on board of the MSC cruise ships as of February 27, 2023. Depending on the constellation, the price increase is quite significant. However, the service also increases for some packages. On ships with dollars as the onboard currency, MSC Cruises is also increasing the automatic service charge added to the bill for beverage orders without a package from 15% to 18%. Prices for beverage packages on MSC Cruises have never been simply structured. Now, on the one hand, it will be easier, because the service charge is now included in the beverage package prices, regardless of whether you buy the package before the trip or on board. On the other hand, it is getting a bit more complicated again and also more expensive. As of February 27, 2023, MSC Cruises is raising the beverage package prices by, depending on the package and the duration of the voyage, between around 4% and 30%. For most cases, the increase is just over 20%. The smallest package, Easy, now costs, if purchased before the voyage, €39 per person per day instead of €32 before. The Premium Extra increases from €62 to €74 per person per day. Easy package now also with beverage cans and bottled beer. MSC Cruises has extended the scope of the Easy beverage package to include soft drinks in cans and some beers as well as fruit juices in bottles. Previously, the Easy package only included draft beer, hence no non-alcoholic beer, and soft drinks on tap. In the Easy Plus and Premium Extra packages, passengers will in future get drinks with a price on the drinks menu of €1 and $1 more respectively, €9/$10, instead of the previous €8/$9, in the Easy Plus package and €14/$16, instead of the previous €13/$15, in the Premium Extra package. We do not know at present whether the individual prices for drinks have also risen in this context. The Premium Extra package is still included in the cruise fare for passengers who have booked a Yacht Club suite. An overview of the new MSC Cruises beverage package prices can be found in the table in our article, Beverage Prices and Beverage Packages with MSC Cruises. Price differences between cruising areas and cruise duration. MSC differentiates between shorter cruises of up to 6 nights and those with 7 or more nights on board. On the shorter cruises, the packages will be up to 10% more expensive than on the longer cruises. For example, the cheapest package, Easy, will cost €39 when purchased in advance and €47 on board, final price including service charge, which will no longer be charged separately, in each case per person and day. On journeys lasting less than 7 days, however, the Easy package costs €43 in advance and €51 on board. If the passenger books a voyage on an MSC cruise ship with US dollars as the onboard currency, among others, Canada, USA, Bermuda, Caribbean without Antilles, South America, the Easy package costs $46 or $57 for longer voyages and $49 or $60 for voyages of up to 6 nights, depending on the constellation. All in all, MSC Cruises has 8 different prices for the same beverage package, depending on the situation, and a few more variants if the subsequent upgrade options are taken into account. Upgrade drinks packages in advance or on board. Not confused enough yet? The Easy package in particular is already included in the cruise price in many booking tariffs with MSC Cruises. If you want a larger package, you can upgrade for an extra charge. If you do this online in advance, it is much cheaper than on board. The upgrade from Easy to Easy Plus costs €12/$13 per day in advance, but €16/$15 on board. At least these upgrade prices are no longer staggered according to the duration of the journey. However, only those who have already booked a cruise fare with an included beverage package can upgrade in advance. If the beverage package was booked in advance but separately, an upgrade is only possible on board at the correspondingly higher prices. It is also crucial that it is an individual booking and not a group booking, as is often the case, especially with larger online cruise portals, without the customer being aware of it. In this case, an advance upgrade is not possible even in tariffs where a drinks package is already included. The tour operator could then only upgrade all customers of the group booking together, but not individually. Only on board can these passengers then upgrade individually. Different, and partly higher, service charge on the drinks bill. There is also a new distinction in the service charge. For beverage packages, these charges are now always included in the stated price, i.e. also when the package is purchased only on board. When buying drinks without a package, however, the service charge will continue to apply, with MSC Cruises in future charging different amounts depending on the sailing area. It is also common practice for other international shipping companies to charge such a fee. However, no other shipping company differentiates the amount of the service charge according to the trade lane or, equivalently, according to the currency valid on board, the euro or the US dollar. On ships with US dollars as the onboard currency, MSC Cruises will in future charge a service fee of 18%, while on the euro ships it will remain at the more favorable, previous 15%. With this move, MSC Cruises is following a trend among most US shipping companies, which now add 18% service charge on drinks. Some have even reached 20%, Celebrity Cruises, NCL, Oceania Cruises. If you liked this post, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our Explore With Us family travel channel so you don't miss any more videos from us. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments below the video. You will find on our channel more videos of this type, which go even further into details with valuable travel hints, tips, and reviews. Have a look. If you enjoyed this clip, give us thumbs up. We would appreciate also a comment from you and hear about your views here. We would also like to recommend you our other videos on our channel. Have a look. And of course, don't forget to press the subscribe button and activate the bell, so that you don't miss out on our regular clip uploads with great infos for you. We would strongly like to recommend you these 2 clips here as well. They will give you more tips, hints, and recommendations as a top-up to this video here. Don't miss out on great hints and have a look. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and see you in the next clip.